To look at multiplying mixed numbers today. So to start off with, I wanted to start off with the fraction 3 1/5. Now, in the past, we've learned that 3 1/5 would be equal to 3 plus 1/5. I'm going to draw a little tape diagram to show how these two are split. So I'm going to have this here, and I know that 3 is much bigger than 1/5, so I'm going to draw a little line here, and I'm going to say this small box represents 1/5, and this large box represents 3. Now, I'm going to draw one more copy of this tape diagram right next to it. And I have 3 right here and 1/5 right here. This is the same as 3 1/5 plus 3 1/5, which is also the same as 2 times 3 1/5. Now, if you look here, I have 4 parts in my tape diagram. This is my first part, my second part, my third part, and my fourth part. So I end up having 2 3s and 2 5ths. So I've got a 3, a 1/5, and a 3, and a 1/5. So I could write 2 times 3 1/5 as 2 times 3, and I'm going to put that in parentheses, plus 2 times 1/5. Now I've broken it down into pieces that I can do. 2 times 3, let's get a different color here, let's do purple. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. I still have my plus sign here, the plus sign doesn't change. And now I come and I do the next one, 2 times 1/5. That's equal to 2 5ths. So now, these are my parts. My parts are 6 and 2 5ths. And when I add them together, I end up with, let's pick a good color here. I end up with 6 and 2 5ths.